In this video, we're going to go over how easy it is to reset your authorized password. Hey, so before we dive into this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. So we've all had this issue. I'd like to reset my password, or I'm locked out of my account and I don't know my password. What we're about to go over right now is both of those scenarios. First, we're going to go over how to reset your password if you're already logged in. And then secondly, what we'll go over is how to reset your password if you're logged out. Let's dive in and reset our password if we're already in our account. As you can see here, I'm under my digital business card in the left-hand menu. And at the top, I'm under the tab password. It's literally as easy as going to the field to reset my password, and I'm gonna type in my new password now. PASSWORD123. I can view my password by clicking this checkbox below. And yes, I'm gonna confirm that's exactly the new password that I want to use. By clicking Publish Profile and then approving that password, boom, done. The red bar goes across the top, and I now know my password has been reset. To test that, I can log out, and I'm right back to a login screen to use my new password. So now we're gonna go over how to reset your password if you've been logged out. You'll notice that when you get to the login screen, right below both fields, it says reset password, click here. By clicking on that link, it will take you to the password reset page, of which you only need to know your email address. I'm gonna do so now by entering my email address, gabe@authorized.company. Simply click the reset password link once you've entered your email, and you'll notice that you get a green notification saying that a new email has been sent to you with your password reset link. If you get a red box here, that means that you've used the incorrect email address. So I'm gonna dive into my email and reset my password. Cool, so here I am in my email and I've received the password reset link. There's two steps. Basically, it says right here, step 1, reset my password using this link. And 2, I'm gonna enter my new password. So let's do that. By clicking this link, it's gonna take you to a page where you can enter the new password that you wanna use. And upon entering that new password, you'll be logged right into your dashboard and be logged in again. So I'm gonna go with a new password here, which is password 321. I'm gonna submit that new password, and boom, I'm back into my account. Good luck resetting your password, and be in touch if you need more help. Cool, so thanks for checking out this video. I hope you've learned a little bit more about how to grow your business. And of course, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can stay up to date with all the exciting stuff we've got coming from Authorized. So you may have a couple more questions, and we love that. And that's why we're available to answer those questions anytime by emailing us at team@authorized.company, or connect with us on any of our social media platforms. As well, if you've not yet created your Authorized account, you can do so for free by going to authorized.company. And of course, be sure to check out our other training videos and leave a comment below because we love to hear your feedback.